In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of a picture in your Word document. This skill is especially useful when you want to create visually appealing documents or presentations by layering images or integrating them seamlessly with your text. Ensuring your images are visually balanced with the rest of your content is crucial. To begin, open your Word document and navigate to the location where you'd like to insert your picture. Once there, proceed to the Insert tab on the top menu of the Word interface. From the options available, select Pictures. You'll have the option to choose a picture from your device or online locations. Go ahead and select the desired picture you wish to work with. After successfully inserting your picture into the document, you'll want to adjust its appearance. Click on the picture to select it. This action activates the Picture Format tab at the top of the Word window. This tab contains a suite of tools designed for editing and formatting images, giving you a variety of options to enhance your picture. Next, direct your attention to the Adjust group in the Picture Format tab. Here, locate the Transparency button, which opens up several preset transparency options for you to consider. These presets generally range from 0% to 50% transparency. Selecting one of these options is a simple way to quickly adjust the transparency level of your picture to ensure it fits well with the surrounding content. If you have a specific vision in mind and the preset levels don't quite match your needs, there's an option for further customization. To explore this, click on Picture Transparency Options. This action will open the Format Picture pane on the right side of your screen. Within this pane, you'll find a transparency slider, a tool that allows you to precisely tailor the transparency of your image. This feature gives you the flexibility to set any transparency percentage that aligns with your creative vision for the document. Experiment with sliding the transparency slider to find the perfect balance. As you move the slider, you'll notice the image adjusts in real time, enabling you to instantly see the effect this has on your document's layout and readability. It's important to ensure that the image complements rather than overwhelms your text or other document elements. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully adjusted the transparency of an image, enhancing the visual appeal and professional look of your Word document. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different transparency levels to find the style that works best for you. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.